be working with this hair from Nadula.com. This wig that we'll be working with is their 7x5 closure Chestnut Ombre Yaki straight wig, and this is their Bye Bye Knots wig, and it also has an invisible drawstring in the back, and I got this in 24 inches. So this is what their Bye Bye Knots look like. You don't have to do anything with this wig. You don't have to customize it. Like, the wig is ready to be worn. And what I love about this invisible drawstring is that you can adjust it to any head shape size, and it also comes with this tiny lock thingamajig that you pull down to where you stop the wig from readjusting once you get it to your correct size. So I just want to show you guys what the wig looks like straight out of the package. I didn't experience any shedding with this hair. It also has extra bands on the inside to tighten so that you can wear this wig glueless. Now, one thing about me, it's been a minute. I'm going to be honest, it's been a minute since I have worn a wig. I've been doing braids all summer and my hair is tired. So we need to go back to our full protective styling, which is wearing a wig, because you know there is no leave out involved. So I just want to customize it a little bit. I'm just gonna slick my hair back, and I'm not gonna do anything special or ball cap method. If it's one thing y'all know about me, is I don't play by my edges. I like to wear my hair without the wig sometimes. I like ponytails and all of that, and you can't be doing a ponytail if your edges is gone. Okay, you cannot. So I do not do the ball cap method. I'm not putting any type of alcohol, any type of craziness on my edges. I like to wear my wigs either glueless or non-ball cap method. So I'm going to go in with some makeup just to put on the lace itself so that it could match my complexion better, and also because I'm wearing makeup, you know, my face is bronzed, it's this, it's that, so I just want to make sure that the lace is matching. So we're gonna have to, you know, get the lace to match our complexion over time. You're gonna see how I fix that. So I just adjust the band on the inside of the wig, then I'm gonna flip it over and adjust it to my liking. So once I fit the wig in, remember you have that drawstring in the back. So if you need to readjust, go ahead and do that. I'm just going to take my scissors. Even though the hair is already pre-cut, I just want to shape it up a little bit, because remember, all of our head size and our hairline is not the same. But what you don't want to do is just cut it straight across. You want to do it in like a zigzaggedy type of motion. Like, the more imperfect, like you cut the lace going across, is the better. So don't just do a straight line. So what you're seeing me do right now is going in with my bronzing powder just to clean up my part, and also put some of that makeup on the front so that it could match my forehead somewhat. We're still not done with the front yet, so don't be alarmed by the line that you're seeing. We are about to melt that lace in a minute. Now, even though I'm going to use some Got to Be glue, at the end of the day, this is still glueless, because Got to Be can be removed with pretty much sweat. To be honest, like, if your wig is not super tight, it's one of them loose lace, yeah, you might need something stronger if you're going for a meltdown. But the wig fits snug, so I know I will be fine with the Got to Be. So I just put that underneath the lace, and then I put the lace on top. Then I spray a little bit of lace spray onto my tail comb and on my fingertips, and then I'm just gonna flatten that down a little bit. Then we're gonna go in with our melting band, and we're gonna tie that down while we, you know, do a little bit of customization with the curls. I comb it out a little bit. I'm just fluffing it out. Like I said, I wanted something loose. I didn't want it to be too tight. Then I'm gonna go in with my scissors again just to cut the layers a little bit shorter in the front. I wanted it to fit, like, frame my face just a little bit more. Now, once we've had that tied down for about a good 10 minutes or so, I'm gonna go back in with some more bronzer because you know we're the finishing touches and we're about to take pictures. We're gonna be out and we can't have our hair front looking crazy in our pictures, you know what I'm saying? So this is what the hair is looking like. Let me know what you guys think about this unit. I am so in love. The color, the ombre is subtle, it is beautiful. I think it is work friendly, it is out friendly, it is just one of them wigs. So all the details will be down in the description box down below. I love y'all so much for watching and I'll see y'all in my next video. Go and big up on yourself. Bye guys.